Welcome to this tutorial where we explore two powerful methods for summing values greater than a specified number in Excel. We'll start with a formula-based approach using the SUMIF function and then venture into the world of VBA coding. Let's kick off with the formula method. Let's see the first method, utilizing a formula grounded in the SUMIF function for a straightforward approach to summing values greater than a specified number in Excel. Refer to the left-hand table. We can see that there are two columns, score and count. For each score, its adjacent cell records the number of how many students get this score in an exam. In the right-hand table, it is a simple summary. There is one criterion that score is greater than 70, and the expectation is counting the total number of students whose score is greater than 70. Actually, 70 is what we just entered into E2. We can also change it to another value. In this instance, we want to sum numbers from count column based on the criteria score greater than 70 value in E2. We need to find out all scores that meet our requirement, and then sum up values in count column accordingly. To resolve this issue by formula, we can apply Excel SUMIF function. Select A2, A9, then in name box define a name for this range. Just use the column header, score. Select B2, B9, in name box define a name for this range, for example, count. You can directly use cell or range reference like A2, A9, B2, B9 in your formula, but for understanding well, we just set name ranges. In E3, enter the formula equals SUMIF, score, greater than, and E2, count. Press enter after typing the formula. In column A, cell A6, 75, A8, 80, and A9, 85, are greater than 70. The corresponding counts are 2, in cell B6, 4, in cell B8, and 2, in cell B9, so the total count is 2 plus 4 plus 2 equals 8. The formula works correctly. Excel will calculate the sum of values in B2, B9 where the corresponding values in A2, A9 are greater than E2. Now, let's explore the second method, leveraging the power of VBA coding to achieve the sum if greater than a specified number. Open the Visual Basic for Applications editor by pressing Alt plus F11. In the VBA editor, click on Insert in the menu and choose Module to create a new module. Copy and paste the following VBA code into the module. This VBA function, named sum if greater than, takes three parameters, RNG criteria range, criteria, specified number, and RNG-SUM, range to sum. Save and close the VBA editor. Now, you can use the custom function in any cell. For example, if you want to sum values greater than a specified number in the range B2, B9 based on the criteria in A2, A9, enter the following formula. Equals sum if greater than A2, A9, E2, B2, B9. Replace A2, A9 with your criteria range, E2 with your specified number, and B2, B9 with the range you want to sum. Press Enter, and the cell will display the sum based on your specified criteria. This VBA code provides a more flexible and automated solution for summing values in Excel based on a specific condition. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial on leveraging the powerful SUMIF function and delving into VBA coding for dynamic Excel solutions informative, don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more insightful content that will enhance your Excel proficiency. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below.